Hi, today we are going to make South Indian curry, for which the ingredients are a vegetable that needs to be added, that is I've taken lady's finger here, around 4 to 5 cut, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of dhania, around 5 to 7 chilies based on the spice needed, 1 teaspoon of rice, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, we need salt as per taste, we need curd added with hing, and around 5 to 6 coconut pieces. The ingredients seen in this plate needs to be soaked in a cup till all the ingredients are submerged. The coconut pieces have already been added. Soak this for around 30 minutes, after which this thing needs to be ground. Meanwhile, once take a vessel, add a little bit of oil and add tadka. Wait for the rye to pop. Add a little bit of hing as well. Add the vegetables and saute. Add a few curry leaves as well. Add little bit of salt for the vegetables so that it gets cooked well. This is how the vegetable should look once it is cooked in oil. Now we will be adding the curd. The curd needs to be beaten so that there is no lumps formed in it. This is the ground mixture of the one that was soaked. Add around half glass of water to adjust the consistency. Add haldi to increase the color and flavor of the curry. The curry is not supposed to boil, it should come to a boiling stage and then it needs to be stopped. I will show you as to how it needs to look. This is the final product, garnished with coriander leaves. Hope you like it.